Wow. Well, I may or may not have forgotten my chest mount, but luckily I kept the head mount on me. So this is gonna be the first video I use this head mount. So let me know if you like the head mount better or the chest mount. And back out here on the Lake Hamilton. So let's get it. And today I'm gonna mostly be rocking with my Shimano Metanium DC. Just picked this up the other day. 20 pound Beyond Braid. I'll leave my code for a 10% discount on the bottom of the screen. Fenwick Elite Bass Casting Rod. 17 pump for my Corrado, 7-foot medium heavy Bass Pro Johnny Moore's Carbon Light 2.0, Shimano Corrado DC, 20 pound Beyond Braid, 7-foot medium heavy Fenwick HMG rod. No way. No way. Dude, nice.
Oh, never mind.
Dude, on a freaking moving bait.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
This is a chunker. Oh. Moving bait.
I think I got that. Dude, I got that.
Nice.
Is there water on my lens from the fish splashing?
No.
No way, it's only 5 feet.
6 feet.
So the depth is your height. Oh my god! Oh! 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 Dude, oh my gosh. Dude, that felt so good. Oh my gosh.
Really?
Ah.
You get hammered?
Yes. Oh my god. Yeah, man, messed up. You don't think I'm gonna throw a Senko? Oh my god, this is beautiful. God, first fish on the freaking new combo.
Did that feel good or what?
No, it felt terrible.
Really?
Hooked him right on the freaking tongue. I was hoping for my first fish to be a little better. It's okay. He's bleeding like crazy. Nice.
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready to go. All right. You ready to make a run?
It ain't my fault.
No, it ain't my fault. Oh, oh, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Ah. Ah.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
Not on your new combo?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a solid 2.5.
Pushing 3.
Nice.
That is a great fish.
Alright, I'm about to throw a Senko.
Ah! Oh, he's alright. Alright, nice fish. There he goes. Like, why do you have to do that? Doesn't make any sense to me, bro.
Because it makes you mad.
Your only fish today was on a chatterbait. Think about that.
Yeah, I know.
That's crazy. If you weren't in the boat, dude, I'd be going 100 miles an hour right now. I can't move, bro. Yeah, keep doing that. Look, we go whenever you jump. Okay, we get it. You're fat.
Yeah. Wow.
Was that good?
Wow.
Go
No, is that turning off or turning on?
turning on.
Damn.
GoPro wasn't running, but I just caught the third one of the day. I just turned it off too. That's crazy. Rocking my iPod every day. There we go. Oh, you did a little trick. That was awesome. Give me some skin. What a waste.
God, my arms look big.
What a waste of money.
Gosh, that's good. My arms look freaking huge.
You're just fat.
Look at that.
You just look fat. Well, I guess that's it. We're cutting the day short. You know, we were fishing and then we noticed some water in the back and we took off. So we opened up the compartment and there's a lot of water. My Crocs are literally floating. So that is not good. We fished for about 5 hours. We only got like 5 or 6 fish. Yeah, there is a lot of water in here, so we need to get off, and I'm hungry and I'm tired and I'm mad. Today was all right. I don't know. Well, I'll see you on the next one.